Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Handling Subfunction Errors in Python, a guide to properly terminating code. Introduction. In Python programming, it's crucial to handle errors gracefully to ensure that your code remains robust and user-friendly. When working with subfunctions, it becomes essential to terminate the code appropriately if an error occurs within those functions. In this tutorial, we'll explore techniques to handle subfunction errors and terminate the code effectively. Step 1. Use try-except blocks. The most common way to handle errors in Python is by using try-except blocks. This approach allows you to catch exceptions and take appropriate actions. Let's consider a scenario where a subfunction may raise an error. In this example, if sub_function encounters a zero division error, the code within the except block will be executed. You can include a termination statement or other actions as needed. Step 2. Raise custom exceptions. To provide more specific information about the error and facilitate better error handling, you can raise custom exceptions within your subfunction. By raising custom exceptions, you gain more control over the error handling process, allowing you to terminate the code gracefully. Step 3. Using sys.exit. In some cases, you may want to terminate the entire script if a subfunction encounters an error. You can achieve this by using sys.exit. In this example, if sub_function encounters an error, the script will exit with a status code of 1. Adjust the exit code based on your requirements. Conclusion. Handling errors in Python, especially within subfunctions, is crucial for writing reliable and maintainable code. By using try-except blocks, raising custom exceptions, or terminating the script with sys.exit, you can ensure that your code responds appropriately to errors and provides meaningful feedback to users. ChatGPT.